Hey friends, it's Mercedes, also known as That Mom here on the internet, and today we are going through the Bluetooth here, so I'm sorry if it sounds weird, but I never showed you guys how I did just a simple trellis. So I thought I would take you guys over here to the garden area and show you a little bit. I don't seem, oh, here it is. I was gonna say, I don't know where the rest of my, oops, sorry, Amy, I just tripped on the dog. My twine is. So this is the twine we use, and I thought I lost it, and so it was hiding under the cardboard because I have cardboard literally everywhere right now because we're utilizing the cardboard in the garden in several ways. But anyway, this is the rest of the strand that I got. I got it from the dollar store, so it was $1.25. The Dollar Tree, I should specify, is where I got it from. And then we just have my husband's very old and rusty shears that I used to take some of the branches off of the large branch because we found, I said in another video, and so if you guys watch that video, it's not a crazy surprise, that we found a fallen branch at one of the townhomes near our house. So anyway, we were the crazy people bringing home this fallen branch one day after school, but I had been scoping it out for like 3 days, and yard workers had come and gone, and the branch was still there. So I took it home, and I have used it in several ways so far. But anyway, let me show you guys how we did the trellis. So let me turn the camera. Okay, so we have two kind of TP trellises, and those were the most simple trellis that I could do by myself. My oldest was in school, and the baby was around here kind of going through everything and just getting into stuff, so I was doing it by myself. It would have been nice to have a little bit of help, but oh well, it's fine. So come in a little bit closer here to show you guys. This is essentially all I did for this one. Is I stuck it in there, stuck four roughly the same size and same thickness sticks off of the big branch, which is, the rest of it is over there, and yeah, the big pieces are in there. But anyway, so yes, about four of the same size branches, and then I just put them in about 1.5 to 2 inches down in the first place, because I have since mulched and added more soil on top to try to protect my plants from this lovely Arizona sun that you guys see my camera is starting to mess up with. This one, as I'm trying to show you guys, is a little bit of a bigger trellis. They kind of come up pretty high. It's about as tall as me, and I'm 5'2", so the two crates and then the trellis, the homemade trellis. So over here, this big one, I don't know why it's so off tilt. I'm gonna have to fix that before I go inside. But anyway, over here you guys can see I've put some like laddering, I think it's called, points in the trellis, and so I just took the twine and just wrapped and 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 wrapped. So this top wrapping part is the same as that top wrapping part, just in and around. So a couple of these ones, like you see, this one's a little bit shorter than the rest of these two. I actually have wrapped around that piece first, and then took it around the bigger pieces. And same kind of thing with that one too, just kind of take it to one of the pieces, wrap it around, and then go around the outside so that they kind of stay. This one, you guys can see my big mound of mulch and extra soil right here that I'm trying to point to with my shadow. It was totally like exposed. So as all of the dirt settles in the bed, it settles down, and so it was kind of hard to settle around the trellis. And over here is a good example. You guys can see down there, there's like a hole on that side. So I'll probably stick some more mulch into here before I walk inside. And then down there, my daughter's seed is also kind of in a hole. So as soon as that one kind of pops up higher, I'll mulch down there more and everything. But yeah, these things took me about 5-10 minutes. in total to put together like one in one. So yeah, that one, like I said, this one goes to about as tall as me, so about 5'2". And that one is just kind of short. It's maybe up to my belly. So from the ground to the top of the trellis, I'd say it's about 4 feet up in, no, about 3.5, 3.25 feet up in the air. The dogs are starting to bark now, so I think it's almost time for me to go back inside. Over here, I am still working on kind of troubleshooting what this trellis should be. These tomatoes in here are still kicking and everything, and they're still producing. So I saw that with the bigger tomatoes, I could take them and like string them up so that they would climb up a thing, up a trellis. So I don't know if I need to at this point with those mini grape tomatoes. Only time will tell, guys. So yeah, so that is basically in a nutshell how I did my trellises. Here's a different shot of the excess wood back there, and you guys can see there are things coming, and that will definitely be in a update. And you guys see I have boop another long neck bottle for my Oya. I mean it's kind of shorter than the rest of the long neck bottles, but it works. So yeah, that has been a tiny how I did these trellises. The next trellis I put together, I will try to bring out the camera and show you guys, but like I said, it was kind of hard with the kids and everything. So well, with the baby and then lack of big kid to help occupy baby, but hey, it works out just fine, and we'll see the next update. So yeah, so that's about all for this garden update right now. This was just about the simple trellises, and I would say that between the twine and the reclaimed wood, I only spent about $1.25 on my trellising sculpture, my trellising, not sculptures, but what would they be called? I don't know what they would be classified as. Not sculpture. I don't know, garden helping tool. I don't know exactly what a trellis is classified under other than trellis. But anyway, yeah, so like $1.25 for the twine, and definitely if you guys are picking up reclaimed wood and stuff, like ask questions and scope it out, and most of the time people are just fine with you taking their fallen branches and everything. It actually does save the companies, there goes my thing, landscaping companies and stuff from having to dispose of them later. And as you guys know, a lot of times the landscaping companies sometimes will just take that stuff to the landfill. I don't know if there's a separate portion at the landfill that's just for like organic yard waste or anything, but if it's not, it seems like a waste. I've never been to the landfill. Maybe that I should do that in the video, in a video somewhere. If we ever go out that way, I will remember to film that. But yeah, anyway, that's all for right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick video, really quick update, and we will see you guys in the next video. Please like this video, comment below any comments, questions, concerns that you have about the trellises, and let me know. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, guys, and we'll be back for another video. Back to another hippie mom video next time. So, bye. Also, stay hydrated. It's getting very hot, guys. Make sure to drink water and stay hydrated. Alright, now bye.